How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search, and for that we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you. So let's get into it, and let's take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply or on how you can make money with this method. So here, let's open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser and wait for it to load. And here, go to the search and type the United States and click for search. Then wait again for it to load. Here, zoom in on the states and let's choose a state or a city from your choosing. For example, here we can choose Kansas or Utah. Let's go for Utah and let's zoom in on this state and let's choose a city in here. I think there is only these cities. Let's choose Green River. Here, let's zoom in on Green River in here. And let's go to the search and let's type any kind of small business that you would like to start with. But before that, I'm going to talk about the main three services we are going to offer these small business owners. So the first service is the website creation. So we are going to see if they have a website or not. If they have one, we are going to check the website if it's up to date or not. If it's an old website, we are going to offer to renew the website for them. And the second service is the bad reviews removing. So we are going to check if they have any bad reviews in their profile in Google Maps. Then we will offer to remove them. And the third service is the social media accounts managing. So we are going to check their accounts. We are going to check their social media accounts to see if there is someone managing them, or we can do that for them. So here, let's start by looking for the small businesses. For example, here we can look for auto repair shops, for example. So here, let's start with auto repairing shops. And here you can see that there are a lot of profiles shown in here, and you can see that most of them have websites, but we are not going to talk to all of them. We are going to choose a specific type of profiles, which are the ones with no sponsored written in the top of the profile and also with less than 150 reviews, which means we are just going to contact the small businesses for sure. So for example, this one is a perfect prospect for us, even though it would be harder to find any bad reviews in their profile, but we can also offer the services of creating the website and managing their social media. So here, let's wait for their websites to load to see if it would need any renovations or not. RepairTech24.com, and it's created in Squarespace. This is the logo of Squarespace. This is the logo of the business, and this is a quote: "We are fully mobile auto repair service. We come to you. Fill out the form below, and a member of our friendly staff will get back to you with a fast, free, no obligation repair quote. Then thank you kindly." So this is the formula, and here you can also get exclusive deals via signing up for their loyalty program. So their website looks simple, but it's up to date in the same place. It's not that old website, but it can do the job, which is booking appointments with the clients. So this is a fine website. I don't think it will need any renovations. So let's move on to see if we can find any bad reviews in the profile, but it seems like they don't have any. So here we can't offer them any service. Let's just move on to the next one, which is Max Gas and Diesel Repair. As I said in the beginning, less than 150 reviews, no sponsored written in the profile. And let's scroll down and let's check their website as well and wait for it to load. 24/7 mobile truck trailer and tire repair with 20 plus years of experience. And this is a very old website that we can offer to renew. As you can see, old colors, old design, so it's old in every way, and it's created by Wix. So this is a very old website, or it's a very bad design as well. So that's the first service you are going to offer them. So let's scroll down to see if we can find any bad review that we can offer to remove, and here it seems like they have a lot. Let's scroll down to find these bad reviews. Click on more reviews here, and let's wait for it to load. Let's scroll down. Here we have all these bad reviews. The first 1-star review: beware, they charge too much money to just replace fuel filter. Charged me approximately $1,000. I strongly recommended do not call this shop. 80 highway robbery. This guy very rude with customers. So that's a very bad review to have, and a very bad allegations to have in your Google Maps profile. And this is the response from the owner: per your record conversation, you were given a price upfront for 120 miles to your truck, cost of filter that no one had, and the highway patrol was going to tow you. I convinced the highway patrol to let me get there in time to fix it. You agreed to all pricing before my tech even left. We are only your buddies to get your truck fixed. Then we are bad guys for coming out in a snowstorm 120 miles to save you a tow and save your load. You are the lowest form of people out in the world, sir, but make sure you leave out all the important things like 120 miles snowstorm, a highway patrol ready to tow your truck. Lol, you know all the good stuff. So that's a bad review, but it seems from the response of the owner that the customer is the bad one, but we can't judge here. We can only help them remove the bad review. So you can just get paid $100 or $150 from the business owners for removing the bad review. Then you can go to Fiverr.com, where you can hire someone to deliver that service to the business owners for only $25. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.